Hello, everybody.
Hello. Hello.
So we have been working together for a month and a half in this small room there. That is called the research room, where and we have been working, doing a project in common.
Okay, collaborating on pictures.
Yeah. So the first, the start point of the project, it was a screen printing that I made. I made a series of screen printing, and it was this one that you can see there, with a studio in a dark space, in a really dark moment, not like today. Pretty different. So
that's the cartoon I do called Foxes at Night. Last year I did one every week for a whole year, and I keep seeing the foxes in my garden, thinking it's doing that thing everything.
So the idea, it was to fill up the dark with Jonathan characters. Some of them were the foxes, and let me see if I can stop this.
The big spider.
So this one, this one, it was the first. I think it was the first room.
Yeah, it was the first one.
Okay.
That's me done one.
Wait a minute. Sorry, but I prefer to. Yeah. Okay. Can we control this? Wait a moment. So yeah, we were working in the research room for a month and a half, and the idea was to fill up the darkness of the screen print with different characters. So first of all, we were building up in one of the walls. We were building up an inspirational wall.
Oh, the wall of genius.
Adding, gluing all the things that we were.
That sounds like Adventure Time.
Yeah, all the characters and comics and drawings that we like.
Morbius.
Yeah.
Morbius, that's the one as well.
Moebius. What more? Family
Guy, Family Guy.
So a lot of them are in the screen printings now, are part of the work. So this was the first point.
Yeah.
Build up the inspiration,
Yeah.
and then we start. And it was quite easy. It was easy.
No, it was easy. Yeah.
It was really easy. So we were. The idea at the beginning it was to work only with black and white, but I think that for you, color is very important.
Yeah, I'm a big colour guy.
So
I don't need colour.
So at the end we were doing like half day color, half day black and white, and at the end color, I think that was bigger than black and white. It was getting stressed. So this is kind of the process that we were doing. At the beginning we were using dry techniques like color pencil,
and colour pencils, pastels.
Look at
Dry. Well, that is Strapdoor. That is a cartoon. I love that cartoon as a kid. I love this idea.
And this one?
It's a teacup with some candles.
With the teacup we use only black and white, and we use a white pen.
It's white pen. It's like what was that kind of cloth stuff?
Yeah. And this one? What is this one about? We were also using some batik. It was at the beginning as a way to add some color to the background, but then Jonathan wanted to try with the batik, and that's the result. This one is this one on the left is the tornado.
What you do is like the thing with iron board.
Yeah.
You iron it.
Yeah. You iron the wax. You put wax.
You put wax.
And you put
We wax the guy to peel off.
And then you iron it everything.
Boom. I'm that because it's a trap.
So this one is all about color.
Yeah.
And this one that you can see, it's all in black and white too, and it's about some manga.
That's a manga cartoon, yes.
Some manga cartoons, and it's one of my favorites. It's like the ghost that I was expecting to see. And the alternate one. So this one, next. this is the inspirational wall. You can see all the characters. We also had some Bill Clinton drawings, the one with the bone in the mouth.
That is based on the bit from Sesame Street. There's an animated bit in Sesame Street with the pinball and the numbers.
Oh.
Nobody remembers it. That's the one, yes.
And this one is called International Meeting.
Yeah, and
Actually.
it's Brian from Family Guy.
Mortadelo, a Spanish cartoon character. And the other one, it was a panda.
Panda. It's a panda.
And an important part, it was to put the names, and you were quite good for that.
Yeah.
That's good. And this was, at the other side of the wall, it was the work in progress wall.
Oh.
So we were putting one side and the other one, and we were getting from there. And this one is interesting because I put it because I think you can see the process. You're going to see 3 stages. And this one is at the beginning, this is from Moebius.
Yeah, that's the Mobius one, yeah.
And then in this stage,
That's all the
you
wax.
add some wax and a little bit of writing, I think. The next one, you will see the
The bubble to the
final
bubble in the boot, yeah.
state. And how it was, this was called the Weehoof. The Weehoof?
I think it, yeah.
That it means what?
I mean,
So here we are working. And, we were, well, this is what we did. This is all what we did. So maybe you would like to speak a little bit more about some of them, because they're So the Fox in the Lab, it was, as I said before, it was the first, and it was from your cartoon.
From my cartoons, box.
From your, you can see them downstairs, And this was a trapdoor.
Trapdoor, yeah.
And in the door, the trap is underneath the table in the studio.
See,
You
bear,
can see that. It's really good. And this is the tea party. Is it the tea party?
I think it's called, yeah.
Doing all with white pen. And it was really nice that day, because it's not only, sometimes it's just the sound of the pen on the canvas was really doing one, it was really good. Nice day. The budgie.
You're doing something. And that's the thing with the iron and the wax.
That's the thing with the iron and the wax. And what about this one?
Oh, that's the Mobius dude. And that's like,
That's true.
and that's like the kind of skinny trees. I like skinny trees.
So one thing really important, it was at the end of the project, was to see how different the same images can see, and how different the same room can fill up, different walls, different characters, completely different one to each other. And we produced quite a lot. We were working quite a lot.
It's the cultural difference, because it's like there's things from Spain and there's things from over here, and there's just, I like cartoons like Trapdoor and Family Guy, and sometimes like the Mobius and Mangas. Is that kind of different?
We try to mix.
Different worlds to come together.
There's one, and the pinball, and this one is the international meeting. Maybe we can finish with this one, the international meeting.
I keep pointing to the screen, but it's up there. So, but it's Brian from Family Guy, and it's a panda, because it's like pandas, and pandas are great, and
there's a tree in the studio.
there's a tree, yeah.
And Mortadelo is
Yeah.
at the end.
Yeah.
So that was the work that we were doing.
Yeah.
We were-